Everyone. This is IELTS speaking tutorial. I'm sorry I have made this video in such an informal setting because what was important was to convey the point to you, and right now my mind's working in that direction, so I thought it's best not to waste any time in making up or anything. So forgive me for the level of informality of the video and just concentrate on the content, right? Okay, so getting towards the real topic. Let's suppose you are okay, first let me elaborate how IELTS speaking tutorial goes. Well, I have to make this clear that this particular video is about the topics section, in which you have to speak on a topic for 1 minute, right? So, okay, let's suppose the topic you get is the most influential person in your life. And as you might know that when you get a topic, along with it you get certain points that you have to keep in mind while you speak. So the topic is the most influential person in your life, and the hints you get for that for speaking is who the person is, what influence did he or she have in your life, 2, and 3, what did you do to thank him or her. So who the person is, the influence, and your way of thanking or being grateful to him or her. Okay, so this is what you get. So you got 1 minute to prepare your notes, and then after that you have to speak for 1 minute. Okay, so let's begin now. The countdown starts now. Right now it's 8:49 a.m. We'll prepare the notes till 8:50 a.m. right? Okay, let me prepare the notes. You'll get a card and a paper and a pencil to prepare your notes. Okay, so I got a laptop right now. Who is that? Okay, my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, my teacher, my friend, my uncle, or my grandmother. Seems like my grandmother would be a right fit for this job. Okay, who is that? My grandmother. So what influence did she have on your life? Okay, time's ticking quick. She raised me. She taught me good values, and she served as a role model. Now I have made this quick notes because later I will speak how did she serve as a role model, or what were the values that she taught me. Okay, then how can you thank him or her? How can you thank your grandmother? There's one way, that's saying directly thank you. Then you can also take care of her, and if you got money you buy things for her. Pretty much enough to buy things. Okay, the time's up. It's 8:50 a.m. Now I have to start speaking, so it's 8:50 and 50 in fact some seconds pass, so I'll calculate them on 8:51 also. The speaking starts now. The most influential person in my life has been my grandmother. There can be many people who can influence you in multiple ways, but I would like to speak about my grandmother here because she has spent a lot of time with me, especially when I was a little kid, and I believe that's a time when you learn the most, and the people around you have a big influence on your life. So first of all, I'd like to mention that it's my grandmother, and the influence she has had on me is first of all that she taught me good values. Now good values include always speaking truth, being kind to others, trying to help out others, and behave in a manner with others that you would like others to behave with you. And more than that, she taught me how to take care of myself, my surroundings, how to take care of animals, birds, even water the plants and trees, and so many other things. She also taught me how to eat, the eating etiquettes, the table manners, everything I've learned from her. So I don't think there's really a way to thank people who have had such a big influence on your life, but still, as frequently as I can, I say thank you to her. Furthermore, whenever I get money, I try to buy her presents. For example, there was the time when I bought her a diary because she likes to write, and I believed that she would love being given a diary as a present, so she could note her day-to-day activities. And also once I bought her clothes, and they were branded and they were very nice, and they fitted her well, and she was very pleased to receive the presents. So I believe the present did its job. The time's up. See, it's not that difficult. You just have to be creative, imaginative, and put your thoughts in a logical manner so they are clearly audible and easily understandable. Each word you speak should be distinctly identifiable by the listener, and you should, while most of your speaking should be based on day-to-day English language, but as frequently as you can, you should try to incorporate fancy words that we don't use in our everyday life. So what I would suggest is at least 1 month before your speaking test, you have to make notes, try to write down difficult words, learn their meanings, use them in sentences, and just 1 day before, right before your speaking test, you have to go through all those notes and try to connect them to different themes and topics in your mind, so you would know which word to incorporate in your speech when you are presented with a topic on a certain theme, like education or health or traveling, because these are common themes. I will speak more about these common themes in the upcoming video, and the suitable words for them as well. So if you'd like to make any suggestions or comments, do leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.